Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 7 of the worksheet on chapter 3 for the intermediate algebra class. Objective: graphing a linear inequality in the plane slope-intercept form. Graph the inequality y is less than or equal to negative 1/2 x plus 1. First, we will graph the line y equal to negative 1/2 x plus 1, which is the boundary. So here it is in the form y equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope, which is negative 1/2, and the y-intercept is b, which is 1. So y-intercept equal to 1. So this is the slope, which is 1/2, and b is the y-intercept. We have to start up with the y-intercept 1. So we'll mark that point 1 on the y-axis. And then the slope is negative 1/2. So which means negative 1 down and 2 units to the right. Because the slope is negative, it's usually slope is defined as a rise over run. The rise is in this case negative 1. So you're going down 1 unit and then move to the right 2 units. So down 1, move 2 units to the right. So this will be, so first you will be going down here and then 2 units here. Your second point is that one. Now you connect these two by means of a straight line, solid line, because in the equation it says less than or equal to. If you see the equal to sign, they will be connected by solid line. If you don't see that equal to sign, you have to make them dotted line. Now the question is, which part of the graph will you shade? Is it below the line or above the line? Because it's an inequality. So which part to shade? Normally if you have a less than or equal to, the equation, the part that you will shade is the one below the line. But we will justify why we do that. So in order to test it, we'll take a random point in this region and plug it into the inequality and see whether the inequality is true or not. So in this region, please notice that origin is one of the points. So let's take the test point as the origin. So now we'll plug into the inequality y less than or equal to negative 1/2 x plus 1 and see whether the inequality is true or not. So now plug in the point 0, 0 into x and y of this equation. So it is negative 1/2 x equal to 0 plus 1. So you notice 0 less than or equal to 0 plus 1. Is this inequality true? Yes, it is true. 0 is very much less than 1, less than or equal to 1. Because it is true, we are shading wherever the origin lies, whichever part the origin lies. In this case, it is the lower part. We are going to shade the line below for the inequality. And then the boundary line has to be a solid one, because you see less than or equal to in the inequality. If you don't see that equal to sign, you would make it a dotted line. Hope this video helps.